Hey everybody, we have here a 2011 Kink Whip. It's a really great BMX bike. It's super light, around 25 pounds, 13 ounces to be exact. The bars here, we have Kink Uptowns. They're really wide. I like them like that though. But yeah, for the grips, we have Kink Omegas. I love the colorways on this bike, by the way. It's really good. It's I don't know, it's probably like a baby blue. The stem, it's a Mission Converge. It also has a Mission Integrid sealed headset. Yep, so it's a really good bike. For the seat, here we have a Mission Converge. Sorry for that. It's a Kink Rival Pivotal. It's pretty uncomfortable on your ass, so try not to sit on it too much. For the brakes, up here, it's a Tektro 907U brake with straight linear cable, as you see here. The front hub is a Mission Echo, and the rear hub is a Mission React sealed cassette with 9-teeth driver. Right here, it's really good. The front rim, right here, right around there, if you can't see that. Yeah. It's a Alienation PBR, and the rear rim is an Alienation Black Sheep. It has really thick chromoly cranks. The pedals, are Mission alloys with removable pins. I think I'm gonna get some plastic ones because I don't know, I'm just not a big fan of the metal ones. Kinda, I don't know, whatever. Not a big deal. And for the sprocket, it's a Kink aluminum with 25 teeth. It's really good. I need to get a new chain. I mean, the chain's perfectly fine on that. Everything's stock on this as of right now. And it's a really good bike. So if you're looking for a new BMX bike, I just suggest you check out the Kink Whip. It's really good. If you guys want to hear it, I'll give you a little. Sounds pretty sexy, as you can hear. And thank you. Have a good day.